Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever the time you'll be listening us at. Welcome to our channel at Good Relaxing Time. James Ambrosius here. And in this channel, we are going to take you artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has brought us the golden opportunity that many people have not actually been able to understand which opportunity it is offering to the society, it is offering to people in the world. But in this channel, you will learn that your input is very critical to advancement of artificial intelligence, and we are going to first take you through platforms which will train you for free about artificial intelligence, and then later on we take you through how to make money from the knowledge that you have learned from these platforms. The first platforms, these are actually online platforms which offer artificial intelligence courses for free. Coursera.org, and we have edx.org. And when you learn your technique, the knowledge they are going to give you in this platform, it will be actual first platforms. These are actually online checkmate against the AI. I mean checkmate against the AI because AI has not come to replace human being. It has actually come to replace those who will not be working with artificial intelligence. And at that juncture, I'm going to welcome you to the platform where you can share your knowledge and earn a good passive income. This knowledge you're sharing, remember, it is the knowledge that you have learned from Coursera.org and edx.org. The first platform is Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is an online free platform where you can develop AI models. Using AI frameworks and libraries, you might provide services like creating machine learning models for natural language processing, or models for computer vision. You can develop AI models. Using AI frameworks and libraries, you might provide services like creating machine learning models for natural language processing, or models for computer vision. You can develop. Still in Fiverr, you can offer training in AI principles, tools, and techniques. This could consist of seminars, online classes, or private coaching sessions. Still in Fiverr, you can offer training in AI principles, tools, and techniques. This could consist of another platform that you are going to earn using the knowledge that you have learned is Upwork.com. In Upwork.com, you can offer AI consulting. You might provide services in the areas of AI deployment, strategy, and implementation. Another another service that you can offer in Upwork.com is AI product development. AI product development, you will offer services for creating chatbots, AI-powered application, and other things. So these actually, they are things that will help you widen your clientele. Another service that you can. Last but not least, we have TopTal.com. TopTal.com platform will give you an opportunity to offer data processing and analysis. Using AI tools and techniques, you might work on projects that need tasks like data cleaning, feature engineering, and data visualization. In all these platforms that we have talked about, that is Fiverr, Upwork, TopTal, they are just but a few there are other platforms that you actually be able to offer services that are related to artificial intelligence. But remember, all these platforms will require you to do a simple entry exam that will actually gauge your understanding of the services that you want to offer. So it won't just be creating a profile and then creating an account there, uploading your profile and everything, it is good to go. No, you still need to be registered and actually do some little of tests with the platforms, and you're good to go. You actually be able to get your client from these platforms. And thank you for watching and listening to us. We wish you happy 2023, happy hunting, and may your endeavor to succeed in knowledge of artificial intelligence bear fruits. Bye. Nice time. Thank you.